So a lot of you guys were asking me about my breakfast meal prep, and so I'm gonna show you. And I'll put everything below. You need the some type of container to separate everything. These are glass and I love them. I got them from Amazon. They're linked in my bio, but these are perfect and I love that it's glass. Okay, so you'll also need rolled oats. I got these from Target. You'll need walnuts, Trader Joe's, chia seeds, some type of cinnamon sugar. I like to use the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's perfect. It's not super sweet. Honey, blueberries, and you'll need your already fully cooked sausage or whatever. I think these are like Jimmy Dean or whatever. Oh, and I can't forget, you'll need cheese and eggs. And I like to use this Creole seasoning to stir up in my eggs. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with my rolled oats, and I use 1/4 cup. I'm not a chef. This is just something that I saw, and I want to try. Add your oats. You add your 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, and then 1 teaspoon of the cinnamon and sugar. You don't have to use exactly what I'm using. You can improvise. This is what I had. So then blueberries. You can put as many. Fresh blueberries is probably better, but all I have is frozen and it works fine. So far. Then you can add as many walnuts as you would like. Oh, and I forgot to say you need oat milk, and you need 1/2 cup. And it could be almond milk, oat milk, or whatever you want, but it needs to be unsweetened no matter what it is. And then it should look like that. And then you just throw into one of the little sides. I usually do 3 on each side. So then it's looking like that. And the reason you want to get fully cooked is because you're gonna heat it up and you don't want to have to worry about, anything crazy. And then I just crack an egg. And then I just add my seasoning, just a little. Add cheese, you just mix that up, scramble that. You get it all ready. And then that's it. Then you have your breakfast and then this is it. So then you heat this up for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And what I wanna try next is trying egg bites. I wanna get some that you could just pop in the microwave as well. So 2 minutes, 30 seconds, and you'll have breakfast. You don't have to spend no money, and it's pretty healthy. So I hope that helps. I'll link everything and list everything. So thanks for watching.